When someone lands on your product page, you have only a few seconds to keep them from bouncing. Most visitors quickly realize if the product they click isn't exactly what they needed. Maybe the price is off, or it's just not the right fit or the right color. And when they leave right away, you don't just lose a potential sale, you also take a hit on SEO because search engines notice when visitors come straight back to the results page. That's why showing best alternatives directly on the product page is so important. By immediately displaying the most relevant similar products, you keep shoppers browsing instead of bouncing. This simple shift leads to real revenue impact. Web shops using this banner see a 41% increase in average basket size and a 28% boost in average order value for orders influenced by it. Clerk automatically finds the closest alternatives using your product data, brand, price, any other attributes. So shoppers always see what they're most likely to buy next without you having to manually maintain anything. If you want visitors to stay engaged, explore your catalog, and buy more in every order, Best Alternatives is one of the easiest and most impactful upgrades you can make.